Camera on. Go ahead.
All right. There's been a lot of questions on the 4-wheel drive. I'm still working on it. There's possibility of getting the vacuum working again, but I've got to get the hubs off and check seals, make sure they'll pull, make sure they set. Well, I got manual ones to go. In the meantime, the manual ones came without enough screws to set this part on. So after 7 sets of screws, I finally found a set of screws that'll fit in there, because they were an odd size and an odd head, and I could not get the screws. And the manufacturer gave me a pretty hefty discount to buy screws because they couldn't get the screws either. So, but as you can see, I finally found a set that fit in there and will work. So maybe. I don't have the right size hex, so I've got Torx. But I think these are going to work. I just have to get the right wrench.
Yep. And as I said, we did find a place you could buy the seals, you could buy all the parts, but we haven't tested.
No hubs.
Yeah, no.
You cannot buy a new set of those vacuum hubs. You can buy the vacuum pumps, you can buy the vacuum switches, and you can buy a lot of the other components, but you cannot buy the hubs. Nor was I able to find an actual rebuild kit for the hubs. You can just get this seal, which that seal on this one's cardboard, but that one, it's a little heavier seal.
So after we attempt and try that stuff ourselves, we'll update you on what we find. So just have patience with us, please.
But it's coming along. These have been the biggest thing, is finding a set of screws that were, well, I see what's wrong. I need to clean these threadings out. There's shavings in them. But yeah, that's what was wrong. These were the big thing. Getting a set of screws to replace the ones that aren't in them. This is what's been taking forever.
Yep. All right, so coming soon to a YouTube video near you. A phone, laptop, TV, however you watch us.
Until next time.
All right.